Let's have a look at iPhone SE from Ovantica.com. The iPhone SE comes with 4-inch display and A13 Bionic Chip with the support of wireless charging. It has got 2 GB of RAM and processor is Apple A9 Fusion. Rear camera 12 megapixel, front camera 1.2 megapixel and the battery is 1821 mAh. We get 4 variants of internal storage. One is 16, 32, 64 and 128 GB. We get 4 color options, has silver, space grey, gold and rose gold. In the box we get 20 watts charger, cable, headphones and some instruction manuals. Start exploring your dream gadgets from Ovantica.com.